Let's take a look now at how we use flow diagrams to make things simpler, as well as working with multiples of 100. Let's go and take a look. So what I'm saying over here is, if you are working with multiples of 100, it is sometimes easy to split the numbers up. So if you've got 400, and that's too big a number to use, you can always split 400 up into 4 times 100. And that would make your multiplication easier to do. Let's take a look at one last flow diagram here, just as a summary. So this flow diagram says you've got 4, and we need to multiply the 4 by 18. 4 times 18 gives us 72. How do we know that? Well, there are a few ways of doing this. We can take the 4 times the 10 to start with. 4 times 10 is 40. And what's 4 times 8? 32. And what's 40 plus 32? 72. Now we can take another number. What about 6 and 18? So the instruction is always, this is your rule, multiply every number that's your input number by the rule of 18. What is 6 times 18? Well, let's see. What is 6 times 10? We can say it's 60. What is 6 times 8? You need to learn your times table. 6 times 8 is 48. So now we can say 60 and 40 is 100, and then I've got an 8. So that gives me 108. What about 7 times the rule of 18? 7 times 18, well, we've got 7 times 10, that's your 70. And what is 7 times 8? Times table, 56. What is 70 and 50? 120. And then 0 and 6 is 6. So what's 120 plus 6? Gives you 126. So this is just showing you how you can use a flow diagram. What we're going to do next is we're going to learn all about division using whole numbers. So that's the end of that concept. Revise it. Make sure you understand how a flow diagram works. Make sure you understand how to break numbers down or split them up to make your calculations easier.